IB maths is easy.
Okay, number one, we'll go with circle, huh? A, they ask for the perimeter of the shaded sector. So the perimeter is the cover outside the one. So this is 4, this is 4, and this is given 10. So the perimeter is 18. 5 theta, which is the center angle of this sector. We have the formula theta divided by 2 pi times the circumference will be the arc length. So simplify. So theta times 4 is 10. So theta is 5/2. Find the area. The area will be theta divided by 2 pi times pi r square. Now simplify. So we have 5/2 divided by 2 times 4 square, which is 5/4 times 16. So this will be 20. Number 2, the arithmetic sequence with the first term is 0.6 and the fourth term is 0.15. We have u4 will equal with u1 plus 3 common difference. So 0.15, 6 plus 3d. So d is 0.15 minus 0.6 divided by 3, which is negative 0.15. Okay, B, 5k. This is a discrete random variable. So the total probability is 1. U2 will be 0.6 minus 0.15, 0.45. So this is 0.45. U3 will be 0.6 minus 0.15 times 2, 0.3. So this is 0.3. So now we have 0.6 plus 0.45 plus 0.3 plus 0.15 divided by k will be 1. So k will be this is 0.9, this and this is 0.6. So 1.5. So k is 1.5 because 1.5 divided by k is 1. Number 3. The first step we should do là mình nên combine hai cái term này lại. So it will become x minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 over x minus 2. So the vertical asymptote, pay attention to the denominator. So the vertical asymptote will be x equal to the horizontal. Pay attention to the coefficient of the x. So y equal with 1 divided by 1, y equal 1. Find the coordinate. The y-axis happens when x equals 0. So just plug it in. Y equal with 0 minus 3, 0 minus 2 will be 1.5. So the y-axis, they intersect with the y-axis as 1.5. The x-axis, the y will be 0. So 0 will equal with x minus 3 over x minus 2. So x equals 3. So the graph intersects with the x-axis at 3. Okay, stretch. We know that we have the vertical asymptote at x equal 2 and the horizontal asymptote at y equal 1. So let's draw the asymptotes first. Okay, the x-intercept is 3 and the y-intercept is 1.5. So we can reflect this. We have another point here. Same thing for this point. We have another point here. So the general shape will look like this one. Try to not to touch the asymptote. Okay, that's it. Okay, number 4, probability. Probability of A is 0.4, A given B is 0.25, and A of B is 0.55. Okay, so probability of A given B will be probability of A and B divided by probability of B, which is 0.25. So we have probability of A and B will be 0.25 times with possibility of B. Another one, probability of A or B will be probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B. So we have 0.55 equal with 0.4 plus probability of B minus, and then we sub this relationship in here. So 0.25 probability of B. So now we have 0.75 probability of B will equal with 0.15. So probability of B will be 0.15 over 0.75, which is 15 over 75. Simplify by 5, we'll have 3 and 15, which is 1 over 5, or you can write 0.2.